Right. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. One person had asked me a doubt in his activity 3.14. So I'm sharing this video as the explanation of his doubt. So he asked me why this question, right? So this one. He asked me this one. So why only one LED illuminates and the indicator of milliohmmeter deflects only in one direction in all instances when dry cells are connected? So here this is the simple experiment that we have done here. Okay. So if you see, we have two color LED bulbs. So one is green and the other one is red. So if you magnify this figure, okay, right, let me annotate. So if you consider this green color LED, this leg is long. Okay, this leg is long. Let me use blue color. Okay, so this leg seems long than this leg. So this leg is connected to the positive terminal of the battery or the dry cell. So when the LED bulb is connected with the positive terminal of the dry cell, it will light up. If you connect the positive terminal with the shorter leg, it will not work, it will not light up. So here in this instant, in this scenario, only the green color bulb will light up. But if you consider the okay, so if you consider this red color bulb, so this is the shorter leg and this is the longer leg. So here if you see again, okay, so if you see, this short leg is connected to the positive terminal of the light. So in this case, this will not light up, only this green color bulb will illuminate. Okay, let's go to the second picture. So here there is no change except the terminal of the batteries. So we have just interchanged the terminals in this second figure. Okay, now let's see this. Okay, so if you observe this one, so this is the green color LED. So if you see this is the long leg, this is the longer leg, and this is the shorter leg. So this long leg has been connected to the negative terminal of the dry cell. So in this scenario, it also will not work. In this scenario, this green color bulb will not light up or illuminate. But if you see the red color bulb, what will happen? We can see here. So this is the longest leg and this is the shortest leg. So this longest leg is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So in this scenario, this red color bulb will light up and this green color bulb will not light up. So initially, if we compare these two pictures, here in the first figure, only the green color bulb will light up. Because why? Dry cells generate direct current. But if you see the third picture, when we compare these two, in this figure 1, only the green color bulb will light up, whereas in the second picture, the red color bulb will light up. But if we consider this picture, so this is a dynamo. You already know dynamo generates alternative current. Alternative current means in both directions. So it is like, okay, so the figure 3 is like adding these two figures. Okay, so if we add this figure and this figure, that is equal to this. Okay, so when the dynamo generates electricity in this direction, let's say in this direction, this is like the first figure. Again, when the dynamo generates electricity in the opposite direction, it seems like the second picture. Okay, right. So when let me erase everything. Okay, so here in the third picture, what will happen is when electricity is generated by the dynamo, both batteries will both dynamo, so both LED light will light up alternatively one after one. So when the dynamo generates electricity in this direction, what will happen? Only the green color bulb will light up. Why? Because when it generates electricity in this direction, it can be considered as a battery like this. So instead of this dynamo, you can replace a battery like this. So this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. So with the positive terminal of the battery, okay, for dynamo we don't say positive and negative terminal, but when it generates electricity in this way, we can hypothetically replace the dynamo by a battery. So here you can see, so this is positive terminal. So the positive terminal is connected to the longest leg of this green color bulb. So in this scenario, only the green color bulb will light up and the red color will not work. The vice versa means when it generates electricity in the opposite direction, in this direction, what will happen? It can be hypothetically assumed as a battery like this. So this is the negative terminal and this is the positive terminal. So this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. So this positive terminal is connected to the longest leg of red color bulb. So in this scenario, only the red color bulb will light up and the green color bulb will not light up. So in this case, as mentioned here, discuss the reason why two LEDs illuminates alternatively and the direction of the movement of milliometer indicator changes constantly when dynamo is connected and in rotating. So what is the reason behind these two questions? Here dry cells generate direct current and dynamo generates alternative current. So that is the answer. Now in the picture, sometimes you might feel difficulties in finding the terminal of the LED, but if you magnify it, you can clearly understand. Considering the length of the legs of each LED, you can determine whether it's plus or minus, positive terminal or negative terminal. So the positive terminal of the LED should be connected to the positive terminal of the dry cell. But when we connect two dry cells, the positive terminal of the one battery should be connected to the negative terminal of the second cell. So when you connect dry cells among themselves, and when you connect dry cells with other electrical appliances, you should be aware of which terminal should be connected to which. Okay, right. Thank you. So okay.